Basil is an aromatic and versatile herb that is a must-have kitchen staple. The challenge is that it often goes limp whenever you buy it from the grocery store. If you're fed up with dead, wilting basil in your fridge, start growing your own with a bite and follow these steps to keep your basil from wilting in your fridge. First, prepare your basil for storage by giving it a quick rinse. Remove any dead or yellow leaves. Spread it out on a tea towel or paper towel and lay your basil leaves out to air dry. If you're planning to add fresh basil to your meals or to garnish a salad, we recommend storing the basil in an airtight container. Lay your basil over a paper towel and roll it up. This will help absorb excess moisture that may cause the basil to wilt. Your basil will last up to a few weeks. Not looking to use your basil leaves just yet? You can freeze them up and use them later. Remove your basil leaves from the stem and blanch in a pot of boiling water for 7 minutes. Remove the basil and add it to a bowl of water. Then, transfer it to dry in a dish towel. Once dried, add them to a container or Ziploc bag to store. This method will allow your basil to keep in the freezer for a few months. Looking to make sauces, soups, or curries? Blend your basil in a food processor with 1 cup of water and a tablespoon of olive oil. Transfer the mixture in a cube tray and freeze. They will last 3 to 4 months. An easy and long-term method to keeping your basil for 2 to 3 years is by letting them dry in an oven at a temperature lower than 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for 2 to 4 hours or until they're dry and crumbly. Any bit of moisture will create mold while it's stored, so once it's cooled, crumble the leaves and store in a tightly sealed container. The perfect way to keep your basil fresh and vibrant for a week is by trimming the last inch of the stem and placing it in a few inches of water. Then cover loosely with a plastic bag. Leave the basil on your counter and change the water every couple of days.